Nature increases parasympathetic activity, promoting relaxation, suppressing the fight, flight, freeze, and fawn response. This leads to measurable reductions in stress, meaning you are in a more positive and stable emotional state. Being in nature reduces pain perception in the brain. Neuroimaging shows lower activation of brain regions linked to pain, thalamus and insula. Literally, this changes how the brain processes pain. This is where I remember. I choose what I let in. I build my worth